Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with photos not loading on your iPhone, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix this problem. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's open the settings app on your iPhone. So inside setting app, tap on your name on the top. After you tap on your name, tap on the iCloud and tap on the photos and make sure sync this iPhone is turned on. Go back to the settings and tap on the cellular. Now scroll down and make sure that the photos option is toggled on inside the cellular. So after you toggle it on, go back again and scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now in iPhone storage, make sure you delete some of the unnecessary apps you don't use much. So after you do that, simply go to the software update and make sure that there is a software update. If there is a software update available on your iPhone, then you update it, download and install it. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.